What's going on with the YouTube? How y'all doing today? It's your boy Three Way Trade. We back at it again with another trade recap, man. So it's last night agent session, but we ended up catching a bang on them boy, man. I'm talking about, man, easy banger on gold last night. But I did take a loss before I take that banger, so you know your boy ain't lying about no loss. But I'll let y'all know why I did take a loss on this setup last night too, because y'all know we already was pretty much bearish for the whole week or two. But so I started to go with the trend, man. Just trade the market structure, see what I'm trading. So I end up trying to take this setup. Matter of fact, it was this setup right here. It was this small supply right here. It really continuation. I really don't like taking continuation setups no more because it seems like I always get burnt on them. And shit, Lord behold, I did get burnt on. I like catching the beginning of the move, man. So I don't really like taking continuation trades. I need more reps on it. So continuation trade really not my bread and butter. But the pullback and the continuance of the trend, that's my bread and butter. But anyway, and also sometimes I can catch some reversals too when it look right. But so the reason why I decided to go long off of here, let me tell y'all why. So right here on the 1 hour chart, it's a lot of candles now, so y'all really can't really see what I'm talking about. Okay, so y'all saw this right here. So the reason y'all saw how price respected this right here, it didn't end up breaking structure. It didn't continue to keep on going lower. So what I was saying to my mind, like, okay, we just got a false market structure shift, basically a 1 hour liquidity sweep. So what I did from there, I'm like, okay, we might finna go ahead and flip back bullish because price keep on respecting his own, and then it's not trying to keep on continuing down lower. So I'll scale down to my 5 minute time frame so I can 5 minute entry. So what I was looking at from there, I'm like, okay, what can I find me an entry if we really finna keep on pushing on bullets? So I noticed this green candle right here, it gave an engulfing candle and it did a small minor breaker structure right here. It's a minor breaker structure. That is considered as a minor breaker structure. It's not a major breaker structure because this the full breaker structure really up here. So this a minor break right here in my eyes. But I needed more confluence before I even got in that trade. So I waited. So I said, okay, if price is gonna decide to keep on going up and we gonna stay bullish, if we gonna flip the trend and go bullish, price should respect this order block, quote unquote, a demand zone, and we had this 5 minute fair value gap. So this order block and this demand zone need to be respected. So I wanted to see that. So as y'all can see now, the order block and the slash demand zone and the fair value gap end up getting respected. Didn't close in the zone. So what I want to see is I wanted to see. This was my target right here. I was targeting these highs right here. So I wanted to see a little bit momentum pushing up. So I waited to see. We had a whole lot of zones. Green counters getting stacked up. So we created another demand zone. We tapped it, and I end up getting in right here on my entry right here. I had an EMA right here, so I was wanting to see if the candles are gonna close above the EMA. So this candle right here that I got in on, this candle came and wicked the EMA and then instantly started shooting back up. So I saw that good rejection on the EMA. I'm like, okay, cause it's the 50 EMA. So like, okay, we might finna flip. We is finna go bullish short term. So okay, I end up entering right there. I left myself a 4 point stop just for safety. So it was like right here below this zone, this demand zone, because I know if we break that, then the trend, the whole trade wrong, the idea wrong. So like, okay, once we start pushing up some, we start getting some bullish pressure. Then I de-risk instantly. I left myself like a 3 point stop below this candle, and then I targeted up here as my first TP, not first TP, but overall TP to target these highs because I knew we were probably gonna reverse back down after it did that. So I target those highs. I end up getting out like right here, like at 7 points. So I did get a 1 or 2 on this trade. So that was a pretty good trade. Let's see how much, because I had took a loss on that trade as well. So I took 2 trades. Y'all gonna be able to see that loss. I took a $380 trade on the short, and then on this trade, I made 1320. So I made $1,300. So I made my money back and some. So yeah, this month been kind of shaky a little bit because it's been shaky because of myself. I've been finding myself turning a lot of winning setups into losers lately, and I gotta hurry up and check myself. So I gotta shake back from that. But yeah, we still got the accounts in positive. We still got like one or two more discipline days, one or two more trades to get these accounts passed, and we're gonna be good. I got three accounts, as y'all can see. Yeah, so we gonna be good. So yeah, that's the reason I took that setup, man. It was a pretty good setup. I felt confident in it, so I executed. It had went away, but yeah, I took this setup, and then it came back. Respected this zone again. It came back and tapped this same zone, so I knew it was a lot of buying pressure coming from here. So, bam, and that's how y'all see now. Price going crazy now. Price going crazy. But yeah, that's just a little quick trade recap video, man. Just letting y'all know how I'm doing. Catching these setups, man. Been doing good. Been doing okay, man. Getting better. I'm journaling. I've been locked in on TradeZilla, man. That's been helping me out more on my journey. Because at first, I wasn't journaling as much as I was supposed to be. I was sleeping on journaling, man. So if y'all boys ain't journaling, man, y'all boys got to journal, bro. Stop sleeping on journaling, because if you can't tell me the last 10, 20 trades that you took and why you take them, you ain't really taking this serious for real. Because why you make money on that trade and why you lose money on that trade. So I want to know why I lost. I want to know 3 years back why I lost this trade, and I want to know 2 years back why I took this trade. That's gonna help me back, because I need that data to keep on going for. So make sure y'all journaling y'all trades, man. Make sure y'all doing everything y'all need to do, man. But yeah, this video won't be too long. It's just a quick, simple trade recap video of why I decided to take this entry. We might finna get ready to flip bullets too. Well, we already done flip bullets because soon we had the candle close above this. This was the breaker structure. This candle right here broke structure. So soon we had that candle close above this. It was already a wrap. We finna get ready to go. So these can be some targets for y'all guys. Don't listen to me, of course, do your own analysis, but I've been trading gold for a long time. So I'm really confident that we're gonna end up making here. We probably even get here before the day over with. So if New York don't push this up, it's gonna be London session or it's gonna be Asian session. So just see how price react up here to this 1 hour supply zone right here. So if you do want to look for some interest on gold, take a look at this. But what price should do, we should come back and just tap this gap, or we might just go ahead and shoot up. So make sure this gap hold up right here. If you do take an entry for a buy, make sure it come tap this gap. So you want to be looking at something like this. So this is what we're looking at to keep on pushing up to the upside. So this could be a good profit target right here for you guys. So if you end up finding your entry from this gap, that'll be a pretty good entry, especially if you guys want to take a screen. I'm a scalper, so I don't really be trying to be in the market that long, but I know I can swing trade if I want to, but I just don't do it. So I say leave yourself whatever stop loss you're comfortable with, but make this the primary target, cause also this the primary target, and then you really can target this well. So of course trade your own strategy, but I'm just giving y'all some ideas on gold, because we got this 4 hour gap that haven't been touched yet. So you can even extend your take profit up to the 4 hour gap, because just put yourself in a position where you want to take some profit and don't get stuck in the market. So I'm gonna apologize. That's the end of this video, and this is trade recap. Thank you.